this is Bale with Just One More Project, and today we're going to make a gift card pocket. I'm going to show you kind of how I create a pocket with several layers so that you can plop a gift card inside it. You can use this for Father's Day, birthday gifts, whatever you would like to do. You can customize the blank space on the top to add whatever you like. So I'm going to kind of walk you through the way that I do this. If you like these tutorials, feel free to subscribe. I try to get them out once a week so that you have a new project that you can work on every week. If you'd like them sent straight to your email, make sure you subscribe below to my email list so you can get them right to your email. Okay, let's get started. So let's go into how I created this. So obviously we've got a rectangle. So let's start with a rectangle. You can really use this method to make any shape gift pocket you'd like, but I'm gonna just start with a basic rectangle so you can see what I'm doing here. Okay, so I've got a rectangle. Okay, so this is kind of our like backer for our gift card, okay? So I'm gonna zoom in on this so you can see what I'm doing. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to copy and paste so I have two rectangles, okay? Now I can either do two things. I can select this with the selection tool and I can drag down and kind of adjust how I want to. Or I can use the Pathfinder and minus front and cut off the part that I don't want to use. But I'm going to do this since it's a little easier. Okay, now I wanted to create some kind of a, like I guess like a curve or something. The easiest way to do this is to just kind of create a V. So the way you do that is you can hit your, actually let's move this here. You can hit your add anchor point tool right here. It's the one with the little plus on it. And I'm just gonna add an anchor point right in the middle. And then I'm gonna hit my direct selection tool and I'm gonna pull that anchor down. I'm gonna hold down shift so it stays kind of on that axis. And I'm just gonna go to about, I don't know, there. Okay, so that's kind of like a nice like sleeve in there, okay? So I'm imagining this to be right on top of there. But now if you plopped that right on top of there, you wouldn't be able to put a gift card in it. So you have to create some kind of a space in between to be able to put a gift card in. So let's do that. Okay, easiest way you do this is you can copy and paste, and you've got this right here. And now I'm just gonna draw another rectangle. So let's just get this rectangle tool and I'm gonna draw a rectangle right around there. Maybe have the bottom be a little thicker. Okay, now if you can see what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fill this so you can see what I'm doing. So I just swapped the fill and the stroke, and then I'm gonna swap this too so you can see what I'm doing. You swap that from a fill to a stroke. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight over both of them with my selection tool. So I have them both selected, making sure that the rectangle that I drew is on the front. And I can double check that by looking at my layers panel and making sure that my rectangle is on the top. And if it's not, you could just move it on the layers panel too. Okay, so have them selected. I'm going to go over to Pathfinder and I'm going to hit minus front. And now I've got this piece right here that will set right on top, but it is going to be the exact same shape as this, so nothing's going to be sticking out. So now I want to make that a stroke, so my laser knows to cut that, cut this, and cut this. So the way that this works is this will plop right on top there, and then this will plop right on top there. And depending on what you want to put in there, you can actually cut out a couple of these and get it as thick as you want, so you can actually put, I don't know, fold up a couple of dollar bills and actually put them in there, whatever it may be. But one sheet of the 1/8 of an inch wood is perfect for a gift card. So so that right there will plop right on top there, and now you've got this space on top that you can literally do whatever you want with. So you can add some text if you like. Let's see, let's do just for Dad, and let's change up that font, and I'm actually going to engrave this font, so let's just Actually, let's change this font. Let's make that kind of a boldy or a bolder font, because I think it might look nice with two different fonts. Okay, that looks pretty good. And now let's prep this for the laser. So I'm going to right click and create outlines. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and unite it all together so that that can be engraved. And then I'm gonna make that a compound path. And that is good to engrave on top. And then I think I kind of want to round these corners because I don't really like this pointed edge. So I'm gonna hit my direct selection and I'm just gonna select on one of these anchor points, this little circle right by the anchor points, and then I'm going to bring that in to about, let's do them both together actually. Hold on. You can do both of them together by selecting one and then holding down shift and selecting the other. I actually like that. Let's do that. There you go. And you can plop a gift card right in the middle of there and adjust it for any occasion. And it would be a super cute personalized gift to go along with a gift card. If you like these tutorials, feel free to subscribe below. I try to get these tutorials out once a week so that you have a new project to work on every week. If you'd like to learn how to create a laser file from start to finish, make sure you sign up for the waitlist for Project Academy, which is my course that teaches you all the things you need to know about creating a laser cut file.